Hello students, 16.1 already completed. Now to start 16.2 we need to learn these formulas. Area of the triangle, half into base into height. This is your base, this is your height. Now Hero's formula. When three side measurements are given, then only we can use Hero's formula. Area of the triangle, square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Where s stands for semi-perimeter, formula a plus b plus c by 2. Now since three sides are given, so perimeter of the triangle will be sum of three sides, that is a plus b plus c. Now for equilateral triangle, you know that all three sides are equal. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle 3 into a. Now area of an equilateral triangle, formula root 3 by 4 into a square, where value of root 3 1.732. With the help of this we can start 16.2. Question number 1. The sides of a triangle are given 10 cm, 24 cm and 26 cm. Find its area. Here first one you select by A, second one B, third one C. Then calculate semi-perimeter A plus B plus C by 2. 10 plus 24 plus 26 by 2. Addition 60 by 2, which is 30 cm. Now area of the triangle, formula, Hero's formula, square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Then under root all the values you put, then subtract 30, 20, 6, 4. Then all the factors let us find out. If you need rough work you can do it also. 2, 3, 5 for 30. 20 will be 2, 2, 5. 6, 2 into 3. 4, 2 into 2. Then square root means inside double, outside single. So double 2, 1 out. Again double 2, 1 out. Again double 2, 1 out. Double 3, 1 out. Double 5, 1 out. Result 120 centimeter square. Same thing question number 2 also. This time three sides are given 17 meter, 25 meter, 26 meter. Find its area. Select A, B, C. Semi-perimeter 34 meter with the help of formula. Then area of the triangle. Area of the triangle, since no space here, so it is done here. Square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. All the values you put, subtract, then all the factors you can find out. Then same thing, inside the root, 2 same factor, outside 1. After multiplication, answer is 204 meter square. Now third question, it is given about equilateral triangle and side measurement 12 centimeter. They told us to find the area. Since we know area of an equilateral triangle formula, so this time we'll use that only, not the Hero's formula. For an equilateral triangle, A is 12 centimeter. So area of an equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 into a square. A is 12, 2 times we can write. 4, 12 cancel out, result 36 root 3. Now root 3 value 1.732, multiply, result is coming 62.352. Now we are correcting into 2 decimal places. Since third digit below 5, just remove it. It will be 62.35 centimeter square approx. Question number 4. Base of an isosceles triangle is given 12 centimeter. One of the equal side is given 10 centimeter. Find area of this triangle. So triangle, two sides are equal, both will be 10, 10. Base is 12. So select A, B, C, semi-perimeter calculation. Then area of the triangle same way with the help of Hero's formula. Root over s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. All the values you can put. Then you can subtract. Result is coming like this. Then all the factors. Inside the root double, outside single. It is coming 48 centimeter square. Now question number 5. Find the area of the triangle whose sides are given 8, 11, 13 centimeter and root 30 value. They told us to use this one. So select A 8, B 11, C 13. S is equal to this. After addition, result is coming out 16 centimeter. Area of the triangle, next page. Formula is this. Then all the values you will put. 16, 16 minus 8, 16 minus 11, 16 minus 13. After subtraction, it came out this. Then all the factors you will find out. Inside double, outside single. So 8 into root 30 is left, and for root 30 value is given this one. Multiply, result is coming 43.816. We can correct 2 decimal places. Since third digit is more than 5, remove it but add 1 with previous one. So it will be 43.82 centimeter square. With this, I am concluding today. Prepare Hero's formula and whatever formulas are given very well. Bye.